Kenya, Malaysia, Morocco, Myanmar, Nepal, Netherlands, North Macedonia, Norway, Philippines, Poland, Republic of Korea, Romania, Rwanda, Slovak Republic, Thailand, United Kingdom, Uzbekistan. These 20 partner countries, they work tirelessly with us for this BGBS program. And also other 40 countries, other 20 countries also, they're kind enough to cooperate with us like anything. And also 25 ambassadors, head of the missions and consulate, they were also present here from the beginning to end. I do not know, I don't have any language to thank them, but we are really, really honored and humbled because of your gracious presence. It's a remarkable success of our 8th Bengal Global Business Summit. You have seen, today is a day for small-scale industry. Yesterday, the big captain of industries, they have assured their big projects here. And after the BGBS inaugural session, I met individually Mukesh Ambani ji and Sajjan Jindal ji, and they assured me many other things also they are going to do for Bengal, and it will come up very shortly. I am so happy. Today also I met some countries. Even there, from Kenya to UK, Belarus to other countries, they assured us, they invited us to visit their countries, and they welcome all of our cultural friends, manufacturing sector and other sector to visit their state. And also they met us and they discuss it in details. You know, there is an exhibition in Vishwa Bangla, that center. The BGBS exhibition is going on. More than 100 lead companies, they are taking care, and also from Jharkhand to some international company also, they are taking part, and it's a huge exhibition. I'm an admirer of all of you. There are 215 exhibition stalls. It's not a matter of jokes, and it's a big place. In India, if you find out, there is no place like Bengal, where you have the convention center, international standard, the exhibition center, the ecotourism park, from poultry to horticulture to agriculture, small-scale industry to big industry, tourism industry to creative industry, education to health facilities. Everywhere something is available. And I think within these 14 years, we developed our infrastructure like anything. First, yesterday also I mentioned that we are proud of our state, especially, that we don't divide the people, we unite the people. We love temple, we love mandir, we love masjid, we love gurudwara, we love girja, we love Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, आपस में रहना भाई भाई. We love that all the people all the religions, all the caste, all the creed, all the communities. We must exchange our views together. We must take part in all the festivals. All the festivals is our festivals. And Bengal is the cultural capital of India. We should not forget that. Now, more than investors, friends, I thank them, more than 5,000 investor delegates, they attended this BGBS. We have seen 212 MOUs, means Memorandum of Understanding and Letter of Intents, signed during this summit, covering numerous sectors, and many are in the process of tie-up. Now you want to know how many investment are coming up. Investment is investment. I am not calculating yesterday's matter. That was a separate. They are doing another thing also. But after this B2B meeting or B2G meeting, I must congratulate all the chairman, co-chairman, captain of the industries and the foreign countries. Because of their continuous efforts, because of their energetic passion, now we reached a solution. Earlier 7 BGBS, we have received more than 90 lakh crores, 19 lakh crores, the investment proposal, where I mentioned that 13 lakhs already completed and 6 lakhs project is in process. Because some projects it takes some times. Because every project has some different eye, different angles. And that's why yesterday I announced the non-stop working, the synergy, one non-stop energy synergy under the leadership of Chief Secretary, along with all the related secretary. It's a bolder and stronger decision. Now, what you want to know, I know that. Press media is waiting only to see. Again this year, if you don't count yesterday's matter also, yesterday, whatever we have received, the investment proposals, that will reach, I do not know how much money. Because Mukherjee itself says it will be 1 lakh. First phase for 50,000, then 50,000. And they have a plan to do other things also. They have discussed in one-to-one meeting. Sajjan Jindal ji also, he announced the power plant and other things. He is interested for Singapore also. Sorry, the Singapore Changi is doing their, this Ondal airport also to develop. They are interested for other matter also, power sector also, other. So many businessmen, they are interested for steel industry also. Today, I am proud to say that we are now on process of about. We have received, I am extremely happy to announce that, we have received investment proposal worth 4,40,595 crores in BGBS 2022. to file. Instead of that, so many big projects are also coming up. Among these projects, one of the important projects is oil exploration project at Ashoknagar. We have given 15 acres of land at ₹1 to ONGC in Ashoknagar, North 24 Parganas. They have successfully discovered oil and gas, which will be exploited commercially. We are supporting ONGC initiative and will be giving petroleum mining lease also. This will bring Bengal in the petroleum map of India. Besides shale gas and CBM, which is already there. Since 2011, we have reduced unemployment in the state significantly. We reduced dropout rate significantly. We reduced institutional delivery, especially the institutional child death, mother death. Even when we came in power, the institutional delivery rate was only 60%, and now it is about 99.5%. Now every family, underprivileged family, even the common families, the middle class, sometimes they have the problems, but they face it, but they cannot open their mouth because of their dignity. Instead of that, our women empowerment and other 94 social schemes, we secured the life of the people, resulting in which I think you will be happy to know our government has been instrumental in helping out of, please quote, I repeat, 1.72 crore individuals out of the poverty line. Don't you think it's an achievement? If you don't alleviate the poverty, if you don't work with humanity, there will be no success. Success comes through the poor people, the common people who are underprivileged class, the girl child. We have to educate them. We have to give more encouragement to our girl child, to our minorities, to our OBC, to our SC, to our ST, and also the boys. We give free cycles to all the students in class 9. It's a green project. We give smartphone to every student when they are in class 11. The Kanyasri scheme, 3 phases. First phase, school covered. Second phase covered colleges. Third phase covered universities. And fourth phase, students' smart credit card. All the students now, they are very, very happy. And I am too. Now, I convey my sincere thanks to the 20 partner countries. My friends from across the world have attended the summit. I hope you all will fly back with fond memories of Kolkata and Bengal and return with renewed interest in our state. I must mention the industry captains who worked with my government as sector co-chairs and made remarkable contributions. I must congratulate to CII and FICCI, ICC to Bengal Chamber of Commerce Oriental Chamber of Commerce to all the district chamber of commerce, all district chamber of commerce. I congratulate MSME department, industry department, land department, power department, fire brigade department, cultural department, and all the departments who worked hard, education department, health department, all the department who worked very, very hard for this BGBS. Let me again thank you, all the dignitaries on the dais and our esteemed guests and invitees who have taken time off to be with us yesterday and today. Bengal Global Business Summit, please remember that Bengal is the safest and smartest place to invest. And it is the future destination of the world now for economy. I am just telling you. Because we love all the religions, all the caste, all the creed, all the community together. Swami Vivekananda had said, if unity is the strength, and weakness is death. And yesterday we quoted that we are proud to say this country, the land of the soil. We salute to all our brave soldiers, brave courageous men, freedom fighters, and all who sacrificed for the countries. And there are so many NGOs, institutions, private sector, public sector, and other sector for their very, very good contribution. And we have all castes live in harmony here. Everyone shares the joy together. If you don't share your joy, then you will cry. But if you share your joy, you will enjoy. Very small thing, but small is always beautiful. Today we allowed all the MSME sectors because you'll be happy to know more than 1.3 crore people are working there. In the MSME sector itself, it's a big boom for all of us. Credit must go to them, and credit must go to all the people. With these words, we always see unity in diversity as our pride. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to all of my people here, even who gave us tea, coffee, distributed lunch, organized this program, from event management to press media, who worked with us from yesterday, day before yesterday, and never they say no. They say yes, we are very positive about the industrial development, about the state development. I am congratulating them. And with these words, again I congratulate all of you. I thank you, and I will say one Bengali quotations, the songs, 2 lines. অন্ধকারের উৎস হতে উচ্চারিত আলো, সকল দ্বন্দ্ব বিরোধ মাঝে জাগ্রত যে ভালো, সেই তো সবার আলো, সেই তো সবার ভালো। আপনারা সকলে ভালো থাকুন। নেক্সট বিজিএসের জন্য সবাইকে আহ্বান জানাই, এখন থেকে কাজ করে যান, সবারই করি আহ্বান। এসো উৎসুক চিত্ত, এসো আনন্দিত প্রাণ, সুন্দরেরই পাদপীঠ তলে, যেখানে কল্যাণ দীপ জ্বালে, সেটা হোক স্থান, সবারই করি আহ্বান। আপনাদের অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কার। বাংলার মানুষকে, মামাটি মানুষকে ধন্যবাদ, এবং দেউচা পাঁচমির মানুষরা আজ কাজ শুরু করেছেন। আই স্যালুট টু দেম। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। থ্যাংকস এ লট। ভালো থাকবেন। And also I wish your safe and sound journey. I convey on behalf of my state on behalf of all the people, from my core of heart, to convey our gratitude to all the delegates, all the ambassadors, all the foreigners, all the consulates, and all the people who are present here or they are listening from the outside, that we convey our best wishes to you, your family members, your team, your industry, your society, your community, and all of your family members also. It is not that it is the West Bengal BGS, it is the BGBS of the of this sweet world. The world is with us and we are for the world. World is, it is of the people, by the people, for the people who work for the world. We have some differences between caste, creed, religious, but if you see the blood, it is the blood of the human body, humanity. Without humanity, we cannot survive. Thank you for, as a human being, I am really gracious, grateful, humbled, and I salute to all of you. Thank you. Again come. Again do come in our state. Again visit and send your teams every time so that our relation we can develop. আমরা আমাদের রিলেশন বিল্ড আপ করতে চাই, বন্ধনের সাথে বন্ধন আরও দৃঢ় হোক, আরও শক্তিশালী হোক, ভালো হোক। We want unity together. We want to live in this world together, peacefully, and with our satisfaction. And let us create the job for the unemployed youth. We will do that. We have done it and we will do it in the later on. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bangla.
বাংলার আওয়াজ, বাঙালির আবেগ, জি 24 ঘন্টা।